We're going to show you how you can install the Whiteboard Whiteboard software to a desktop computer. First thing that you're going to want to do is make sure you're signed into that desktop computer with your username and your password. You're going to click down here at the bottom left corner of your desktop and search for Software Center. The Software Center is a place where you as a teacher can go in and install applications and software to your computer without needing the admin approval for the desktop. So for this example, the Whiteboard Whiteboard software appears here in the second application on the list. If you search for Whiteboard over here on the in the search menu, that's another way to narrow down and find it if you don't see it there on that first screen. And what you're going to want to do is once you find the application, you're going to want to click on the application, and then you're going to be brought to a screen where you can click Install. So click Install there. It takes just a second for the install to work and to go through. So while it's doing its thing, what you're going to look for is a little flashing signal down here telling you that you can click on that to go through the install process. Once you go through the install process and the Whiteboard software is installed on your computer, then we'll show you how you can check for updates. All right, so as you can see, the flashing light was down here, and what we're going to do is we're going to follow the setup wizard here to get the application installed. So we're going to click Next, accept the terms of service, and we're going to hit Install. This shouldn't take too long for it to install, but once you click through the steps here, you'll be able to watch the status of the installer. And what should happen here is once we get it installed, we'll see on our desktop the Whiteboard Whiteboard software appear on the desktop. Okay, so after a couple minutes of waiting here, we got the notification that the software has been installed and everything is complete. So we're going to click on the Finish button here. And you'll notice here is the Whiteboard software. So the first thing you want to do once you get that installed is I would recommend clicking on the icon here to open up the Whiteboard software. And let's verify that we have the most up-to-date version in the Whiteboard. Whiteboard software does update frequently, so it's good just to check that. So if you open it up and then click on the little gear up here in the top right corner and click Info, you should see Update My Whiteboard or My Viewboard Whiteboard. And once you do that, it should auto-update through the process here. Once it's finished going through that, then you should have the most up-to-date version of the Whiteboard software, and you can then start using it.